How many times have you stepped on the scale and seen the wrong number and let it ruin your day? Or even worse, go off plan? Here's the strategy. Stop letting the scale boss you around. It's just one tool, not the whole story. The scale really only tells you one thing, your total body weight. It doesn't tell you how much water, fat, or muscle you have. That's why you can drop inches from your waist and still see the same number on the scale. Or you can eat a salty meal and suddenly weigh 3 pounds more the next morning, even though intellectually we know we didn't gain 3 pounds of fat overnight. But what we have to do is not allow it to derail all the good work that we're doing. There are better tools. Measure your waist, track your energy. Did your inflammation go away? Your bloating? Do you have less painful joints? Pay attention to the labs like fasting insulin, triglycerides, and HDL. Notice how your clothes fit. These markers tell you if you're really moving in the right direction, even when the scale's not cooperating. In my coaching, I see this all the time. A client will be upset because the scale hasn't budged, but their waist is down 2 inches, their blood pressure is lower, and their labs are improving. Now, that's actually real progress the scale can show. I've experienced it too, and actually, month 3 during carnivore, I didn't lose any weight. So sometimes the scale stays put, but I know my body's been going through recomposition because I'm still losing inches and I'm wearing smaller clothes. So here's your strategy. Use the scale as just one data point, not a dictator. Pair it with waist measurements, lab work, your blood pressure readings, your blood sugar readings, and your non-scale victories like energy, clarity, strength. That's how you'll know if your plan is working or not. Don't let one scale reading throw you off plan. Consistency wins the race. So if this happens to you frequently, one of the things you could do is weigh yourself with less frequency. Once a week, once every 2 weeks, or even once a month, if it's derailing you all the time. This has been your Strategy Saturday, and remember, you're the boss, not the scale. I'll see you tomorrow for Self Talk Sunday.